What's up, everybody? Today is Saturday, January 6th, and if you're looking for a Railfan version of a YouTube collaboration, you found the right video. Today we're heading to the cane fields and we'll be joining Danny Harmon for some Railfanning. Nice, brisk, 48-degree morning here in South Florida. Probably over there it's about the same or maybe a couple degrees lower. Beautiful day, forecast for today. Hopefully some good cane trains are running. We hope they actually are running. Of course, with my luck, nothing runs. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. And later I will explain why today, January 6th, is a fairly remarkable day for my Railfanning. 10 years ago today was my first day ever filming a train to completion. Granted, the video didn't go onto YouTube until like March of that year. It was 2008. I was at Hollywood, Florida, having dinner at the Turkish restaurant. 101 came by at about 9:30 at night. I was pretty excited. Unfortunately, I was not set up properly, so I had to run to the crossing because I did not know about ATCS. I did not have a scanner. Frankly, I don't think a scanner would have done me any good. So on January 6, 2008, 10 years ago today, I caught my first train from start to finish on video. I mean, I've seen them pass by before. I've watched a few pass, especially on the Homestead and the Lehigh. Local CSX lines in Miami, Florida, but that's why today's pretty memorable. And then 5 years ago, the circus train came down to Miami. It was also, I think, my first time filming it. Filming the circus train. We chased it with Danny, so that's why there's a lot more coincidence to today's date. Filmed the circus train between Zana and West Palm Beach, and also got on the FEC in Deerfield. Unfortunately, the circus train is no more due to whatever reasons. I won't get into that. That's a separate matter. But of course, you cannot go wrong with the memories of that particular weekend. So our routings to the cane fields, unfortunately, I do not think that any of the manifest jobs that we were very successful in chasing last time will be working. However, there was a huge kind of a void created. I only shot 2.5 cane jobs, if you will. One loaded, an empty, and I barely filmed an empty. So, since the USSC's major industry is cane, their major commodity is sugarcane, hopefully I'll be able to make up on that end today. Ladies and gentlemen, the temperature right now is 39 degrees. This is freezing. In comparison, when I caught 8114 in Charlottesville, it was 40, so it's actually colder than it was in Charlottesville when I caught a Norfolk Southern unit at night. This cold front really did some damage to us, I would say. So if you're coming from the south, the first town that you arrive is in South Bay. South Bay is just pretty much a bypass town for USSC. Trains just run through here. There are very few loadouts near town. They're more closer to Clewiston than here. I think there's a loadout just west of town. East of town, there won't be a loadout till after Belle Glade. Belle Glade's east of us. This is a great, popular spot to see the Bryant and even the Fort Pierce turns. Since I agreed to meet Mr. Danny at Clewiston, I will press on, unless I see a train, of course. And I'm looking left, and nothing. I think the Bryant turn has already passed. He turns a Walmart truck. Better not get hit by it. We're at Clewiston. This is Francisco Street. I have to wait for oncoming traffic to turn, but I will turn to the USSC shops. I guess that's where we'll meet with Mr. Spot, Rogers Road, ladies and gentlemen. Over there is the USSC Diamond. You can get it with a good 300mm frame. Unfortunately, at this moment there are no trains, but it looks like they will soon be harvesting some fields nearby, so it will be a little bit ripe for action. So give it time. Patience does pay. The cane fields. This diamond was, I believe, the signals for the diamond were installed just about a year ago. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're at Pahokee. Danny wanted a shot of one of the burning fires over there. In my last video, I did explain how they do it. About the USSC 506, the most common unit. You're gonna find out shortly.
again?
Might have seen him on Tri-Rail once.
When I was working?
Yeah.
Were you riding or were you out shooting?
He was shooting.
Oh, yeah.
I did that before. There's a lot of places where police on side people. Danny, this is Ricky. Diamond over there.
I don't know why they're
It's supposed to lock.
He's moving.
He's going.
Infamous Miami Canal, spot of Lake Harbor, and as is always the case, there is a train coming. Donde está? I don't know where it is. Tracks over here. There's his headlight. So they recently installed these signs here. End Kila, begin Lake Harbor. So this is blocked territory, if you will. I am gonna shoot the corn crop.
Danny's going to the sky for this one.
Nice. We got here Danny with his DJI quadcopter.
And software that is apparently out of date.
Oh no.
It's not launching. Alright.
Yeah, it's 5:06, all right.
Wanted a colorful one though, as opposed to one that more blended in.
You never know. He is a legend.
Watch him pull up right before the train gets here.
Will the legend know?
Yeah, he's gonna meet us right here.
He's out of his cage.
Or maybe he'll pull up here and mess up all you guys' shots.
No, it's too late. No, that's a car. Oh, I hear a car.
He's not being goofy.
What?
Nelson only uses manual focus.
Here he is.
No, I have to use manual focus because this camera does not like autofocus for some reason.
Oh.
Train Chaser 3.
You can hear him coming.
Oh, I like that horn. That might be 5-0.
He's got a Dylan antenna.
Yeah, Dylan's copying him.
But he is only 17.
Yeah.
He'll be 18 in 3 months.
Two. Hauling ass. Yep.
Wow, shooting backlit again.
boys.
No, I think they're running flat.
Oh.
It was just a matter of help. They help them do the switching. So some of these guys have 2 guys and some guys don't. I think only the turns have 2. A lot of the other King guys only have 1. They have a U-man do all the switching.
This is insane. We're losing light.
Patience. Not over there. It's not down on the horizon yet.
Guys never call me back. Let's call again.
What did the guy say to you up there at 6/11 in 2016?
Curse
Curse
me
you
and my
and your offspring.
Everybody got clouds. Yeah, everybody got screaming when I showed up.
How about that shot at 209 at Crawford?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You see the wall of just darkness and light.
I had a long live for that. I shot him as he's coming across Clewiston, but when he got to the diamond Crawford, it may as well have been night.
Alright.
Is this guy coming at us?
I think he's gonna pick up.
Maybe at the very least he's a long cane train.
Yeah. I think they got the one shot.
Are we gonna be here?
No.
It's almost below those clouds. I mean, it's just. I think it's just.
I think we'll have our chance, Rudy.
It might actually make it.
It
It
is.
looks like it might start to come out.
It is.
Is he switching here?
Shot of the day.
Yeah, I think we might.
Oh, nice.
That's the one picture I can't show my mom.
Why?
Of the car sitting up here.
Oh, no. No.
She'll get mad at you.
Pahokee land is in good light.
I mean, it's
Sun
meant
is
for
over
this.
there.
So.
Sunlight.
The sun is out for you.
There, guys,
I don't see another cloud.
This is it. This is the shot. All right, places.
Because his frame is just on the other side of the tower, of the pole.
All right, I think this is where I switch the lens. As long as he's on that track, he has to.
Yeah. Once he gets over here and go a little faster.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell it drops down over there.
gentlemen, today was fun. I want to thank you all for joining us on this adventure. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I will post lots more videos soon. From Clewiston, Florida at Sonny's Barbecue, this is TE out. Bye, trains.